Hey guys, I'm back in Melbourne right now. Just came from an uluru trip, which was during the weekend. It was a brief 3-4 day trip that we embarked just to reset and get the stress off ourselves. Yeah, that's it. And we got a room and also the package which has tours and the rooms and breakfast and everything else. So we usually go camping, but for that trip we book a whole program because the thing is, in Uluru, in Ayers Rock, there's only one tour agency who's handling everything, all the hotels and everything else, and yeah, there's less options for you to get other tour agencies or something like that. But we made it. Okay, our trip was a bit short, but it everything's in it. We didn't have a lot of the treks. We just did the highlights of the trip. First day, we were supposed to have dinner in the desert, and yeah, of course, dinner during sunset, and we would see the rock and everything else. The problem is, on our first day there, of all the dry days in Uluru, we arrived there on that single day when it was raining. So it was a bit let down because we didn't have dinner, and they say they're gonna refund us, but I don't know how they're gonna do it. I'm just gonna check my account how they do it. But anyway, the first day we didn't have the dinner at the desert because again it was raining, so it's a shame. I had a rental for the next day, which is what day was that? Sunday. Because the thing is, on the first day we were thinking of just chilling and having the dinner, but we ended up doing nothing. We can't get the rental earlier because there's just less rentals for that day. I can't get any cars right away. So yeah, that was a bit of letdown for us. First day was not good. We had dinner. Problem is they have crocodile ribs, but by the time when I ordered it during lunch and dinner, they didn't have it. So that's another letdown of the first day. The skies cleared in the evening, so it was good for us to have dinner, but eventually the tour was canceled. So we just chilled. We just chilled the first day. Second day was much better because the thing is, the car was there. We traveled to the rock and did the trek around the rock, so it was good. I did have some good footages, okay photos and everything else. So yeah, we were mostly around the rock. The only thing I was disappointed for the second day was that I was planning to go on top of the rock, like climb the rock. It's a sacred rock. You're not. It's best if you don't climb it. But for me, I'm so sorry, but I can just say it was one of my bucket list. They weren't allowing us to climb that day due to storm forecast. So yeah, and the whole rock is made of iron. So if it's gonna storm, you're gonna get lighting all over the place, and yeah, you're gonna get hit. Anyway, so yeah, we went to the rock, and during the evenings we went back. We rested. So the day was just fine. We had dinner, but still they didn't have the crocodile. No, so sorry. We did have dinner the second day because we had a walk in the lights, walk in the field of lights, and my camera couldn't. I had the simple Canon camera. I couldn't get low light shots, but I'm good with experience. I was expecting a bit more, but yeah, that is good enough. That is good enough. So we rested, and we planned for the third day to drive early to Kings Canyon and do the treks. So my initial plan was to wake up around 1 a.m., drive all the way for 3 hours to the canyon, prepare and do the climb. But we were so tired, so we decided to have our what do you call this? Our sunrise at the Kalachuta, which is the next rock formation. So we arrived there at the wrong viewing deck. So we went back a few kilometers to the correct sunrise because I thought the sunrise viewing area was flat, just like Uluru's sunset viewing area. Like I want shadows on the rock, but when we arrived there, it was good. It was perfect. A bit late though, but it was good. And then after that, we went to Kalajuda, went over some places, but we just didn't have time for the hikes. We tried to make it back to the hotel as soon as we can to get the free breakfast. Of course, nobody's gonna miss the breakfast. Breakfast is good. So yeah, we had good photos and footages on Kalachuta. We have the camel Kalachuta. I'm just gonna put in the name here because I keep on missing the pronunciation of it. We had camels and the sun's haze and everything else. I have them in photos. That's good. And then we traveled 3 to 4 hours to Kings Canyon, and we did our hike there at the rim. We arrived around 2 p.m., which was around 33 degrees. It was very, very hot. It was scorching hot, but no, not really. For that place, it's not very hot, but yeah, if you came from Melbourne, which is cold that time, it was a bit hot. And we hiked around the rim. Supposedly, it's gonna take us around 3 to 4 hours, but it took us around. Let me see how long it was. It was like 4 or 5 hours for us to hike there, but all's good. The hike was good. The place was good. I got good photos. So yeah, the problem is I did a lot of videos, but on our way down the mountain, I tried to press on high frame rates to do some B-rolls, but the thing is, I ended up formatting the footage. So in the end, all my footage went down the drain. I'm back in Melbourne now, trying to get all my footage back. So I got all the photos, but the thing is, the videos were corrupted. I only have one video, so I can't post any vlogs. That's why I'm filming right now, myself talking. But anyway, that trip was good. I just wished I have climbed up the rock. I have done the dinner, and my files were not corrupted. But either way, it was a good trip for us for the weekend. And yeah, so I don't know when our next trip will be. We booked some tickets for next year to Queenstown again. We want to go back to Queenstown because it's really nice. But hopefully I can upload my old Queenstown videos and my Tassie videos and my Perth and our Queensland, which was a 15-day trip. Okay, so which means I can upload my videos. And if you like my videos, please do leave a like. And if you have questions about our trip, anything we did, just leave a message. I'll try to answer. But yeah, that's it. Simple as that. And by the way, today's like Wednesday. I still don't have work. I'm still on leave from work. So I'm just chilling, trying to edit some stuffs and trying to retrieve some files. But as you can see, I've been eating a lot. I need to lose weight. I'm still gonna edit though and do my backlogs. But yeah, for now, that's it. On to the next travels and on to the next vlog. You guys take care. I might post some videos and some photos after this, so just enjoy. Check it out. Oh, by the way, how did you like my new setup? You didn't see my previous setup, but this is the ORIG desk. This is my desk, and this is some chips.